Good morning, internet. So day 2, we are heading to Pali. So from Pali we'll be going to Jodhpur. So in Pali I'm meeting a friend of mine. I'm meeting Nash. So Nash is riding from Mumbai. So he'll be meeting me in Pali. So once we catch up from there, we are going to ride together for the entire leg of 1500 kilometers. So now the solo ride has become a buddy ride. So I'm meeting Nash after a long time, and this is the first time that we are going to ride together. I hope this ride is going to be very exciting. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on my Rajasthan ride. Take care till then. See you in the vlog. So the ETA to Pali is around 5 hours. I have to ride for 300 kilometers. So before that, I have to get my bike fueling done. So guys, one last thing, before we start. So wanted to fuel up my bike, and I'm looking for a power. I don't think I'll be able to get power. So let's go for the normal fuel, and let's fuel it up and then start the ride. तो नैश पहुंच चुका है, एक पनीहारी करके कोई रेस्टोरेंट है, दैट इज वेयर ही इज। तो Did you see me? अच्छा टेनिस उस तरफ है क्या? तो कहाँ पे है? राइट टर्न लेना है क्या? अच्छा ये ब्रिक वाला बिल्डिंग है, वही है? ओके हाँ। हेलो, look who is there. lovely lovely lovely। तेरे हाइट से पहुंचने के लिए मुझे ना सैडलिंग करना पड़ेगा। ये बुढ़ा हो गया रे तू? हाँ टर्न कर। Amazing, amazing, nice to see you, bro. Mast. So all okay? All good. Sahi. Oh. Oh shit, man. Oh, look at this. Insane. My God, this is insane. सही है। मिल लिया, फोटो भी हो गया, राइड भी शुरू हो गई. सही है ब्रो, मज़ा आया. वाओ गाइस, this is the view we got from the road, and let me just quickly show you how it looks. Hello guys, good evening. This is where we are at Jodhpur, Mehrangarh Fort. Met Nash. So we met in Pali and we drove all the way to Jodhpur, and the first destination we came to visit here is in Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur. It's a beautiful place, man. Oh, I have to be very careful because I'm on the other side of the road. So nice guys. So now we'll be heading to the hotel, check in, and then crash. We are staying at Koti Heritage property. This is a 135 years old property which has been now converted into a hotel. So I'll quickly take you through the property and I'll show you how it is. As soon as you enter, there's a lush green area, and you head towards the entrance, and you find a beautiful decor, wall decor. Most of the things are antique. This is the reception area. Good morning. And here you go towards the dining. Mr. Trideep is the owner of the property. So this property is 135 years old, and that's his great grandfather, great grandfather, and this is your great grandfather. Second generation. Okay, and this is the third generation.
Fourth generation is my father. We have a family picture.
Oh, lovely.
Fifth, me and my brother. Sitting lounge.
I'll take a detour of the property in the next few minutes so you can see the entire property. When you visit Jodhpur, so please do come and stay. I mean, this is one of the finest heritage property that which you can afford in your budget. You know, bikers always look for some, cheap places to crash, but if someone can get such a beautiful place and to stay in a heritage property, that's nothing like it. Highly recommended, actually. I was mesmerized, when the moment when I was entering, I could see only all concrete buildings on the outside. I was figuring out where is this heritage property. So today we crossed the red carpet as well. Yeah. This is so here is our baby. They definitely need some rest. Nash, you did what? How many kilometers now? 900?
Now almost 1,000, I guess.
Okay. So Nash came all the way from Nasik. So he had a stopover in Ahmedabad, and from there he started today morning and reached Jodhpur. So we met in Pali. We had our lunch, and from there we started to Jodhpur. So he definitely wanted to ride with me at least like the last leg of the Jodhpur destination, So then we decided like we'll meet at a common interjunction where we can ride together. So we could figure out like there was another 60-kilometer leg which was left to reach to Jaipur, and that was Pali. Nice.
You can see all concrete buildings around, and this is the only property that which has been maintained and kept well, and now they have converted it into a hotel. Such a lovely property, guys. Such a lovely property. You actually hear the birds chirping around, and it's calm and peace.